great way to start Sunday and the new weekly vlog at church.
Oh yes, that was great.
So good.
It's like better than the last time.
It always is, like it gets better and better and better. So today we have a lot on our list. His sister is getting married on Friday, so we have to go shopping for some outfits. And then we have to go grocery shopping for sure. Hopefully get to barbecue the chicken.
Oh, we're doing that again?
I mean, yeah. But yeah, so we're gonna figure out what to eat for lunch, and then we're gonna head to H&M. Yeah, we'll see you there. Babe, do you know whose line this is?
Cool.
Richard Allen. He was like a very popular fashion designer back in like the 60s or something.
Yeah.
Very retro, so cute. How cute is this top?
That's really nice. It's pretty. And those pants.
Should I wear like a suit?
Oh yes.
That'd be cute.
Yes, queen.
Oh my god.
Very nice.
Gotta put my hair up. I'm about to shop.
Uh-oh. You used the scary word, shop.
Shop till I drop.
Oh no.
Haven't done that in a while. I didn't even have to go anywhere. Look at our Starbucks order. We're ridiculous.
We only got this one because we wanted waters. Okay. That's all we wanted was water. I was not a girl.
Yeah, you are.
I'm not a girl.
Oh my god. Can you help me?
I'm trying to help you vlog. Okay guys, so if you have that Starbucks taste with that high C budget, this is what you do. You get a small one of these and a big water because this is free and this is like $2-3, right? And then you go like this. That way it lasts longer.
So today I really did not want to come to the gym. I would have come in the morning, but they don't open till 8 again, and we have stuff to do during the day on Sundays, you know. But we're here. We're gonna get her done.
I didn't want to come to the gym either. Well, because I'm sick and my foot hurts. But
babe, just don't.
But I don't want you to stop going to the gym.
But I don't want you to get hurt. How about you walk?
It's gonna feel good when I walk. Watch.
Okay, you're just gonna walk, right?
Yeah.
Promise?
Yeah.
Stop.
What?
Promise?
Promise? What do you mean promise? I'm gonna walk really fast.
Okay, whatever.
No, if it feels better, you know, I'll run. But I'm pretty sure it's because it's whatever heats up, it feels good.
But thank you for encouraging me to come today.
Yes, well, you encouraged me to come, and then all of a sudden you don't want to come.
I know. It's just I'm too full. We went and ate at the Cheesecake Factory, and I'm really full. I don't want to throw up. And then we got to go grocery shopping after this.
We're supposed to be in there for 30 minutes or so.
We were supposed to barbecue tonight.
We are gonna barbecue tonight.
We are?
Yes.
No, we're not. I still have to marinate the chicken. By the time it's done marinating, it's just too late.
Yeah, you're right. It's too late.
Unless you just want plain old chicken.
No.
Okay, makeup is off.
Yes.
Ready?
Yes.
Okay guys, so I just got done with my workout and now I'm gonna go to Marshall's because I want to treat myself to new workout clothes, and I want to go to Kroger. Yes, we went grocery shopping last night, but they didn't have the chicken that we like, so they said they were gonna have some in it today. And also last night I stayed up until 1 in the morning again, just like last week, to edit the vlog and have it up by midnight. I mean at 1 o'clock, and my Wi-Fi was so slow. It said that it was gonna take 3 hours to upload the vlog, and I'm like, absolutely not. I finished editing the video, I exported it, I did the thumbnail and everything. When I went to upload, it just wasn't happening. So I took a shower, I made some breakfast, and I'm trying to upload this video. It says it's gonna take 3 hours. Oh my gosh. Okay, so change of plans. Oh, and earlier I went to Marshall's, got my stuff, and realized that I didn't have my wallet with me, but I was able to pay with Apple Pay. Went to Kroger hoping I could pay with Apple Pay. Couldn't get my chicken because they don't accept Apple Pay, which is so annoying. So that just means that I have to go back later. Ever since Saturday, nothing's been going right. Which is fine, whatever, but you know, like, I'm trying to stay positive. Holly freaking Luya, my internet's back. It's not as good as it usually is, but it's better than 3 hours. So I just put on the same dress that I had on yesterday because I quickly need to run to the store.
I brought you some fall flowers.
You sure did. Oh my god.
You like them?
Babe, I love them.
Good.
I didn't know you were coming home.
Yeah.
Oh,
Surprise.
thank you so much. Oh, thank you. I love you. I can use my big vase now.
Yeah.
My table looks overdressed now for sure, but I love it. I tried keeping these as tall as I could without them looking awkward, just so that they could kind of match the height of me.
Whoa.
Whoa.
My legs are starting to feel wobbly.
Starting to? Yeah. Doesn't look as pretty. Too much? You used to ask for extra. What's this called? I got a venti pumpkin cold brew. No way. It might just all be because of the foam that I love. Oh my god. I thought I was gonna hate this. Try it. It's good. You don't think it's good?
It's pretty good.
How much was this? Like 5 something?
Yeah. No, I think it's because I was drinking this sugary thing.
That you don't like it?
No, that might. I can't tell if I like it or not.
It's sweet, but not too sweet. And that's my perfect coffee right there.
Yeah, that's a really good coffee though.
Don't get me wrong, I like cold brew, but I was hesitant whether to get the venti or the grande because sometimes it's too intense. And I love that it comes with the nitro lid. I don't like straws anymore. Because without any turtles, we wouldn't have any turtles. Doesn't it look like it's like 6 in the morning or 7 in the morning? Nope. It's almost 9 in the morning. Do you hear that thunder? We have had rain non-stop since Tuesday night, I believe. No, Monday night. It is crazy out there. We're having crazy flooding. I don't even know if you guys can see me right now, but it's so dark here. The trees are moving all crazy. As much as we're used to rain, anytime the weather gets so depressed like this, it's so eerie. Like tomorrow we have George's sister's wedding to go to, and who knows if this is ever gonna stop. Anyways, I just made myself some lemon water. I hate starting my day without going to the gym first. And I'm debating whether I want to film or I want to edit. I'm thinking I'm gonna edit just in case the lights go out. Like, do you hear that rumbling? Like, it hasn't stopped. It's just crazy. All right. Oh. So we're reined in and we decided to start watching Harry Potter. What rain? It didn't rain here yesterday.
Hey, dry.
That was halfway full yesterday. Crazy. Babe, so you said all this water isn't supposed to be there?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
It's supposed to be dry as a bone.
Oh, it gets worse, guys. Like, people's houses are flooded in. Look at all this. This is not supposed to be like this. And look, we're about to go over an overpass. Look at this. And I'm sure it's receded a lot. Sure, there was higher water. Look at that house. Look at that house. It's complete. Look, oh my God, that's, oh no. Oh my God, look at this. No, this looks like a lake. Oh my God, I feel so bad. Dude, it looks like a freaking swamp out here. Okay, so what we're doing out here is trying to go save George's car because it wouldn't turn on yesterday. You want to say anything about that?
Yeah, I'm sad about my car. Didn't want to turn on yesterday. Whenever I turned the key, everything worked except the starter, and I'm like, why?
Like yesterday, of any day.
Yeah.
But he said that the water had already, how many inches of water?
It's probably like 6 inches. We were driving.
So maybe something must have got wet.
Yeah. Maybe.
Y'all should have been released earlier. It's just crazy.
We were. I just waited. We were released at 8. I waited till 9:30 and it was still raining crazy. It wouldn't stop. So I decided to just drive or walk through the rain. And granted, at 9:30 it wasn't raining as hard as it was, like the first hour.
Yeah.
But
yeah, we're trying to go
still.
see if George's car is okay. So are we gonna go through another route or what? Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna go through the freeway.
What? What happened?
It's bad.
What happened? It was literally so beautiful over here right now.
I bet if we turn around and drive for 5 minutes, it would be beautiful again. But right now, it's scary.
Oh my god. Okay, let's go back home and watch another 5 movies.
No!
You want to tell them what we did all day yesterday?
Oh my god, we watched 5 Harry Potter movies in order. The first 5.
And we didn't go to the gym or anything. We were just couch potatoes all day long. I mean, we couldn't really go anywhere because it was flooding everywhere. So
it was raining like this all day yesterday.
yes. Go away, Imelda! So we just got back from the gym and Target and my mom's house. It's been a long day, but look how cute is this basket that I got at Target. It's seriously so perfect and big enough for all of my blankets. You guys, I ran out of my Tatcha by the Sea Radiance Mask. Look, it's all empty. I am so sad. As you can tell, this is my favorite mask. Had 1 use left. I obviously did a thin layer, but that should do the trick. All right, so we just got back from the wedding, and now we're just gonna have some dinner. It is 9:52, but we're just gonna end up watching probably a movie. No? I don't know.
Harry Potter movie.
Maybe a Harry Potter. We're gonna watch Harry Potter, eat some dinner, and then head straight to bed. So I'm pooped.
Yes.
You pooped?
Yes.
And then tomorrow we have to go to the gym and go to church.
It has been weekly vlog number 39.
8.
Is it 38?
I think so. I don't know.
Weekly vlog number 38. If you like the video, leave a like. Comment down below. If you guys want to see us do something else crazy or something fun.
Like what?
I don't know. Like do...
Jumping jacks?
Jump out of an airplane or something. That'll be fun, skydiving. We'll see you on the next weekly vlog number 39. Oh, yes.
Bye, guys.
Peace.